Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE ALP-P3. The code for it is 3550. We can see the expiry here, and it's a 24 pack size made in Japan. You can see it's an IVDC certified product. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is the front view of it. So let me take you to the other side. You can see it is manufactured by Fujifilm Corporation in Tokyo, Japan. You can see it here. So let me show you around. So this is the other sides of it. It's more or less plain. So let me open it for you. So as you can see, these are the Fujifilm DRI-Chemistry slides. You can see, you can find there are 12 pieces here and the other 12 are here. Totally it makes 24, and I think this is the QC panel of it. You can see here QC panel. So let me keep it here for you. So these are the items present inside the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-Chemistry slide ALP-P3. The code is 3500. You can find it here. You can find all these details here. And these are the DRI-Chemistry slides, and this is the QC. So this is the unboxing of it. Thank you.